Prepositions. Prepositions. A preposition tells us where a person, thing or place is, or where something happens, or where somebody or something does something. Person. Thing. Place. A prepositions is usually placed before a noun or pronoun. The cat sat on the rug. The jug is on the table. There is a picture above the fireplace. A preposition can also indicate direction, from where somebody or something is coming or where somebody or something is going. The words to, from, towards, down can be used as prepositions. He was going to the station. He was coming home from school.